Welcome back to A for Adventures. Today we're sharing our must-have travel essentials with you.
You just need to travel with these.
Absolutely.
With the mountain in the back, your next adventure is waiting. So the first one is a backpack.
Yes.
A backpack can be so awesome. It can be like your second travel companion. You can put so many things inside it. If you get the right one, you can fit so many things.
It essentially can be your only carry-on. You sometimes don't even need a trolley.
And if you're traveling for 1 night or 2 nights, that's the only thing you need to take. Our favorite one is Tule.
Yeah.
It is this 30-liter backpack which puts so many things inside it. It has a laptop. It has space for clothes. It has space for your wires. It has space for everything.
Everything. It has a compartment for everything up to your pens. And I think for me, the easiest thing is to just remove the laptop in the line. Like at the airport, you don't need to fiddle around it's a game changer.
Amazing.
Your favorite feature is probably the slide-on.
The slide-on, you don't need to carry it actually. So when you're walking around, if you have a suitcase, you slide it on and you're not carrying any load on your back. And you just move around with it. Plus, it's very multifunctional. You can take it on a hike as well if you want.
Yes, you can. And you use it for daily wear as well because it's really
100%.
It's very pretty. I'm not much of a backpack person, so I want to get something from the base line because they also prioritize functionality, but it's really pretty.
They're
things
not available
as well.
in South Africa, unfortunately.
Yes, you should check it out. Item number 2 that you need is a power bank. So this is life saving. Honestly, you will never know when you need it, but you will definitely need it. We would recommend getting something that fast charges, that probably fits with your charging cable regardless, so you don't need to buy an extra cable for that.
USB-C all the way. Don't buy something that is
Definitely,
different
yeah.
USB.
And also 10,000 mAh minimum. We really like the Samsung one. We got that recently and it's so easy. It doesn't run out of charge for months.
Yeah.
So Android, Apple, whatever you have, it does actually fast charge that.
Number 3 on the list is a travel adapter, because God knows we have so many different combinations.
Too many.
Especially South Africa. I don't know where we get these combinations from. But anyways, we have them. So travel adapter can be so amazing for you. You can get them in many travel stores, airports. But don't wait till then.
Yes.
Please don't wait till then.
Rather have something with you.
Yeah. And you'll find different adapters that work on different situations, different countries. We definitely suggest searching before going on hand. Like I've gone to Morocco and that was a situation and a half actually. They also had a lot of different combinations.
Yeah.
So check it out, but get a travel adapter that works with different ones.
You even get these ones that have multiple, it's a block and then you have multiple sides for different countries.
100%.
Number 4 is a travel organizer. I find this to be the most useful thing. It's something I got on a whim years ago, but I still have it now, and it's essentially just a little booklet. Mine is a bit longer than the one you have. So his is the size of a greeting card and mine is a little bit longer.
The greeting card fits many things.
It does, yeah. Your ID, your vaccination cards, your passport, your boarding pass, anything you need to have at hand at security or when you're traveling, you can just put it in there. You're not going to be searching around for it.
Exactly. And the thing is, every time you leave for the airport, you're going to be scared whether you took everything.
Do I have my passport?
Yeah, do I have my passport? Do I have my this? So this app just makes sure, yep, you have everything. And if you don't, you can go back and get it.
Yeah, and it's really helpful also because when you're, the lines are moving quickly, you don't want to be that person who's holding everyone up looking for the thing in their bag. So
unless you're like me and you forget your whole backpack and then get to the airport.
Don't do that.
I forgot my whole backpack. Next on the list is travel cubes, and these are really, really cool. I wasn't sold on them at the beginning. I didn't understand them really.
Yeah.
But then after we got them, they have been really cool. So basically what they do is, first of all, they put all your clothes in one space. They're very neat in the fact that they combine and compress all of it.
Yeah.
They make things easier to get as well. So not only is it making your packing much easier, it means that when you get to the destination, you know where everything is. And you're like, Sally will always be like, it's in that cube. And I'll be like,
Because really easy, you can actually organize your things. So obviously the main aim is to give you more space in whatever you're packing, right? So for example, if you're only taking your backpack, you can really stuff a lot of things in one packing cube. But also, like you said, it really helps you to just keep things organized. Even if a bag is thrown around, your packing cubes will stay the way you put them in.
100%.
The last thing that we really recommend for traveling is travel size toiletries. So we don't necessarily recommend that you need to go and buy the smaller versions that you can take in your hand luggage, but we do recommend getting, like, you get these empty ones at like any store, any drugstore, any pharmacy. You can
Take a lot
get
of-
it as them discount clicks if you're in South
And you
Africa.
can refill your own stuff
Yes.
basically in it.
It's useful because then you don't need to, worry about using other things. Like, you hate soaps at hotels.
I hate changing even like shampoos because I mean your hair can get very frazzled.
Yes, yeah. So that's really useful.
You sound a bit bougie right now.
Yeah, but if you do want to buy them, then I know that there are lots of like little sized ones that you can actually buy for things like mouthwash and sanitizer.
And the best part is that you can pass through like 100 milliliters. You'll get the containers, and then it's awesome.
Yeah, so if you end up having your bags lost, like I have had my bags put on the wrong plane multiple times, and at least you're not stranded.
So those are our top 6 essentials. There are
But,
more, but
yes.
you'll have to wait for it.
We will
In the
tell
next
you
video.
in part 2.
Check it out.
In the meantime, if you're new here, subscribe. We share really cool things, but also tell us what your travel essentials are. I'm really curious to know.
100%. Bye.